Enter the interest amount and tax deducted in boxes 1 to 3 appropriately if you have interest from bonds, loans or government stock. If you received a certificate of chargeable event from UK Insurance Company or any friendly society about capital redemption and life annuity, then fill relevant details about gains and number of complete years as per certificate. If you made a gain on voided ISAs, i.e. invalid subscription, then enter the relevant details in the required boxes. Deficiency relief may be due if your life insurance policy or annuity came to an end during the tax year. If you received shares instead of cash dividends, then enter the amount of stock dividend in the relevant box. If you receive a non-qualifying distributions or a loan write-off from closed company, the amount of distribution and loans write-off to be entered in boxes. Business receipts from earlier years include post-session receipts or any other taxable business receipts which you received after your business has ceased. You only need to complete share scheme boxes if your employer has not deducted any tax from the taxable amount or your employer tells you that they have used taxable lower value for PAYE. You have to enter the difference in the given boxes for share schemes and employment-related securities. If you received other taxable payments from your employer, such as compensation lump sum on the termination of your job, the first £30,000 redundancy payment is exempted and anything over £30,000 is taxable. Fill other boxes if they are relevant to your self-assessment return. If you have subscribed for shares in venture capital trusts, you are entitled to tax relief at 30% of the amount contributed, and maximum contribution of £200,000 can be made. Similarly, relief is available for subscriptions in Enterprise Investment Scheme if you have invested in shares of qualified investment. Married couple allowance can be claimed if either you or your spouse was born before the 6th of April 1935 and you were married before 5th of December 2005. If you meet these conditions, you are entitled to claim married couple allowance by filling in appropriate information in boxes of age-related married couple allowance. Income tax losses cannot be set against all types of income, and if you want to claim losses against other income, then enter the loss amount in the relevant box. There are certain rules and time limits for loss claims, so for more detail check the HMRC help sheet about losses and claims. Pension savings tax charges only arise if contributions into your pension exceed annual allowance, and most people will not need to complete. And if you do, it's better to have a tax advisor to help you.